Hi children, welcome back to the Max class. Good morning, a very warm welcome to everyone. So today we have learned, just once let us tell like what we have learned in the previous videos. We have learned about the prime numbers, composite numbers and the divisibility rules till 10. Okay, yes or no? Yes, did you revise them children? Yes, please do revise them. Why? Because they are very much useful for you all in knowing the factors, in knowing the multiples, when you are given some different methods like prime factorizations, LCMs, HCFs. Okay? Yes. So in today's video, we are going into a new topic called factors and multiples. Okay? Factors and multiples. So let us once learn the definition of factors. Definition of factors is nothing but a number P is said to be a factor of another number Q if it divides Q exactly. So you should make a note that this is a condition. This is a condition. If it divides Q exactly. See, who is called the factor here? Who is called the factor? P is called the factor. When it is called the factor, P is called the factor of whom? Q. When it is called the factor, when it divides the Q exactly. Okay, so rather than learning in the definitions, if you can learn it in the form of an example or in the form of a numerical way, you can understand much better. Right, now let us see factors. See, suppose number 12 is there. Okay, number 12. If number 12 is there, so how to write factors for this number 12 first? First of all, you should be able to know, to recognize how to find out the factors. That is, see, number 1. Firstly, from initial table, that is number 1. From that table you should start. So in one table it will go for 1 times of 12. Yes or no? Yes. Next, coming to the 2 table, it goes for 6 times. Yes. And next, in 3 table it goes for 4 times. And in 4 table again it goes vice versa for 3 times. So I stopped writing here. Okay. So the factors for 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Yes or no? Now, these are called factors. Of whom these are called factors of 12. Okay. Now, if you take any of the number, that is 3 suppose. If you take any of the number and if you take the number, the given number, it will divide exactly. Exactly in the sense I told you even in the previous videos, it means that it leaves a remainder 0. Yes or no? It leaves a remainder 0. That is why, see, 3. See, 3 is said to be a factor of 12. If it divides the 12 exactly, is it dividing or not? Yes. So, did you understand the main meaning of the definition here? Yes, children? Did you understand? Yes. So, factor. And one more thing, see, you can just test on any other factors here. You can test on any other factors here. You can check it with 6. You can check it with 4, you can check it with 2 and all. But the common thing, what we have learned from the first video, children, just link up this with the first video. In prime numbers, when we are learning, we have learned that 1 is a factor of every number. So for any number you take, for any numerical value, 1 is a first and foremost factor. And its last factor will be itself. Okay? So that is what we have learned there. So did you understand what do you mean by factors? Did I explain you according to the definition here? Did you understand what is the meaning of the definition? Yes? Yes. Okay. Now let us learn what do you mean by multiples. Multiples. Multiples means nothing but tables, children. If you are asked to write the multiples of 2, suppose, write the multiples of 2. You just need to learn the 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. These are the first 5 multiples of 2. Did you understand? Multiples are nothing but tables, children. And you can once refer to the definition here. A number m is said to be a multiple of another number n if n divides m exactly. So you have to understand it very carefully. See, a number m is said to be a multiple. Suppose if I take 4. 4 is a multiple of whom, children? Of 2. Yes or no? Of 2 it is. That means n divides m exactly. That means if you divide that 4 with 2, it should divide exactly. So 2 twos are 4. So what is the remainder here? The remainder is again 0. Yes or no? The remainder is again 0. So when you get the 0, it means that it is exactly divisible or not? Yes, it is exactly divisible. So that is why this is called the multiple and this is called the factor. And you know, these both are vice versa, children, actually. Vice versa. In the sense, see, 2 is a factor of 4. Will you agree with me? Yes, 2 is a factor of 4. Why? Because you can divide 4, no? Yes or no in 2 table? Yes. So 2 is a factor of 4. 4 is a multiple of 2. Yes or no? Yes, 4 is a multiple of 2. So did you understand the definitions of factors and multiples here, children? Yes? Did you understand? So let us take it a thing like let us go with each and every terms or every methods which are there in this chapter one by one in a very detailed manner in my videos. Okay? So share, like and subscribe. Thank you.